Namaste, and welcome to AI Baba Trademark, your daily guide where ancient Indian astrology meets modern AI precision. Today is Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025. Let's dive into the stars and unlock the opportunities and challenges hidden in the cosmic code. Let's kick things off with the top 3 Rashis of the day. First up, Mesha, that's Aries. Today, your mood is dynamic and driven, but you might be a little impatient too. What's working for you? It's the perfect day for new beginnings or launching a quick initiative. But here's a word of caution. Don't jump to conclusions in your relationships. Take a moment, pause, and really listen. Your numerology edge is 9, so remember, decisive action is better than hesitation. Do take initiative in those pending discussions. Don't overexert or multitask too aggressively. Next, Kanya Virgo. You're thoughtful, composed, and methodical today. Planning, reorganizing, and streamlining workflows. That's where you'll shine. But don't get stuck in analysis paralysis. Your numerology edge is 5, so be flexible and explore, but don't lose focus. Do declutter your workspace or your mind. Don't delay those important, maybe uncomfortable decisions. Third up, Makar Capricorn. You're goal-oriented and cool-headed right now. Financial planning and strategic networking are working in your favor today. But watch out. Don't be emotionally distant at work or at home. Your numerology edge is 8. Success comes through persistence, not shortcuts. Do set a mid-year personal or financial milestone. Don't overlook feedback from juniors or peers. Energy and weather forecast time. Across India, fire signs may feel a bit of volatility, but earth signs expect steady gains. With the moon in Rohini Nakshatra, emotional honesty is a big plus today. If you've been delaying closure on projects, issues, or conversations, this is your green signal. Weather-wise, expect higher humidity in coastal zones and some light rain in the northern hills. If life feels heavy today, don't carry it alone. Talk, express, even cry if you need to. Moon in Rohini helps dissolve inner resistance. Repeat to yourself, I am safe to release what no longer serves me. Progress starts when pressure finds its release. Quick do's and don'ts before you go. Do start something new after 11:30 a.m., honor your intuition, and clean up your digital or physical space. Don't argue just for validation. Avoid buying luxury items, and don't postpone any health-related appointments. For planetary highlights, Moon trine Saturn brings disciplined emotional control, so stability seekers, this one's for you. Mars aspecting Jupiter means it's a great day to pitch or apply for bold ideas. Mercury's combust phase starts tomorrow. Review important documents today itself. That's your cosmic update for Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025. Use this guidance like a compass, not a script. You're the master of your path. The stars are just helpful lights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for daily insights with AI Baba Trademark. See you tomorrow. Stay cosmic, stay clear.